Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a minimalist style wallet, this video is for you. So this, I have never seen a wallet like this where it has a transparent face. Very, very cool. This is of a, looks to be like a very hard plastic. And then it also has what looks to be like a plexiglass face. And it also has a built-in stand so it can stand up. It also comes with a magnetic back option. So this could be magnetized to the back of, let's just say, a phone case, to where one piece is stuck to the back of the case, one piece is stuck to the back of the phone case, and then through the magic of magnetism, it will stick on there. So you pretty much have your phone case with your wallet. What's really cool about this is that it is very thin. It is roughly just over a quarter of an inch. So like, what is that? Like a third of an inch? It's basically about a third of an inch. Very, very sleek, slim design. Holds 7 ID or credit card or any type of hard cards. And it slides right out with the built-in spring activated, I call it the fan effect. Kind of fan effect, so you can kind of see what's going on. Another cool thing is being that this has a transparent front with this plexiglass, you can see exactly what's going on. You could also have your, let's just say, an ID on or identification card on the face of this if you wanted, and then you wouldn't have to take it out. You just say, hey, check it out. You don't need to take anything out because this is transparent. And so fan it up, pull it out, put it back in. Very user friendly, easy to use. Snap it in, does everything needed. The total size on this is right at 4 inches by a little less than, and right at 2 2/3 inch as far as this is concerned. And as shown here, it will stand up all on its own with this little display. If that is important to the user, clips right back and kind of hides out of view. Pulls out. Very, very cool. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, check it out. Tell us what you think. Give us an honest review. This is definitely very different and very cool. The transparent face, as noted, is very convenient, along with the fan effect. Hopefully all your questions were answered, and we'll talk to you soon.